Welcome to Garage Autofix. I'm your host John, ready to guide you through the vital aspects of car maintenance. Today, we'll be exploring the key points that can help keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. First on our list is regular oil changes. The lifeblood of your engine, oil keeps everything running smoothly, so be sure to change it as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Next up, we have fluid levels. From coolant to brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid, these are all essential components that need regular checking. Low levels can lead to damage or malfunction, so keep an eye on them. Now let's talk tires. Checking tire pressure monthly and maintaining it as per the manufacturer's recommendations is crucial. Additionally, don't forget to inspect the tread depth and look for any signs of wear or damage. Moving on to brakes. Regular inspections are a must, and replacing brake pads and rotors as needed is non-negotiable. Remember, brake issues can be dangerous, so don't neglect them. Our next point is about air filters. Replacing them according to the manufacturer's recommendations will ensure proper engine performance and fuel efficiency. Then, we have battery maintenance. Regular cleaning of battery terminals and checking for corrosion can prolong battery life. Typically, you may need to replace the battery every 3 to 5 years depending on usage. Regular servicing is also key. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedule for inspections and maintenance tasks like belt and hose replacements can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Keeping your car clean, both inside and outside, not only enhances its appearance but also helps protect the paint and prevent rust. It's a simple task that can maintain your car's condition and value. Addressing issues promptly is another key point. If you notice any unusual noises, vibrations, or warning lights, don't delay in having them checked by a mechanic. Prevention is better than cure after all. And last but not least, read the manual. Your car's owner's manual contains specific maintenance guidelines and recommendations tailored to your vehicle. And there we have it, folks. The key points to car maintenance: regular oil changes, checking fluid levels, tire and brake inspections, replacing air filters, battery maintenance, regular servicing, cleanliness, promptly addressing issues, and reading the manual. Remember, a well-maintained car is a safe and reliable car. Until next time, this is John from Garage Autofix, signing off.